Today we are going to read lesson 12 in English, The Butter Thief. Have you heard stories about Krishna? आप सब ने कृष्णा की स्टोरीज देखी हैं टीवी पर या कार्टून मूवीज? What he loved to eat? He loved to eat butter and milk. He used to quietly go to people's house in his village and drink all their milk and eat up all the butter. In this story, a villager complains about Krishna to his mother Yashoda. Now, let's start with this chapter. A woman goes to Krishna's house. She complains about him to his mother Yashoda. One woman complains Yashoda about Krishna's woman. Yashoda, your son Krishna has eaten all the butter that I made. He has become a butter thief. We cannot leave the milk and butter at home and go out to work. We are scared your son will drink all the milk and eat all our butter. Now woman says to Yashoda that Krishna eat all the butter that I have made. जो उन्होंने बटर बनाया था कृष्णा ने सारा खा लिया. And we cannot leave the butter like this. We cannot leave butter and milk at home and go out to work. हम बटर मिल्क अकेला नहीं छोड़कर जा सकते हैं क्योंकि कृष्णा उसे खा लेता है. यशोदा shouts for Krishna and holds him by his ear. आपने मूवी में कृष्णा की मूवी में देखा होगा यशोदा माँ कैसे पकड़ती थी कृष्णा को, उनका कान पकड़ के. यशोदा, कृष्णा डिड यू स्टील द बटर? यशोदा कृष्णा को पूछती है डिड यू स्टील द बटर? कृष्णा सेज नो माँ, आई हैव नॉट स्टोलन द बटर. आई हैव नो टाइम टू स्टील और ईट बटर. एवरी डे early in the morning you send me to take care of the cows. I come back only in the evening. Tell me, when can I eat the butter? फिर कृष्णा बोलता I don't have that much of time. Every day early in the morning I go out and take care of the cows and I come in the evening. तो मैं बटर कैसे चोरी करके खाऊंगा? तो यशोदा says but today you have been at home with your friends. What have you been doing? But तुम आज तो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ घर पे थे तो तुमने क्या किया कृष्णा? तो कृष्णा says माँ I am so small. Look at my hands, they are so tiny. How can I reach the pot of butter? You hang it so high. Now Krishna says I am so small and my hands are so tiny. How can I reach the pot of butter? मैं कैसे बटर का पॉट ले सकता हूँ, वो कितना ऊपर होता है. So यशोदा touches Krishna's face and wipes the butter from his face. और यशोदा देखती है कि कृष्णा के फेस पर बटर लगा होता है और क्लीन करती है. So कृष्णा, यशोदा, what about the butter on your face? How did it come there? फिर तुम्हारे फेस पर बटर कैसे आया? सो कृष्णा, ओ माँ, माई फ्रेंड्स आर वेरी नॉटी. दे पुट इट ऑन माई फेस सो दैट यू वुड स्कोल्ड मी. और कृष्ण जी बोलते हैं कि माई फ्रेंड्स आर वेरी नॉटी. दे पुट बटर ऑन माई फेस, और वो बटर मेरे फेस पर लगा देते हैं कि आप मुझे डांटें. सो यशोदा नोज हर सन इज बीइंग नॉटी. और यशोदा को पता था कि मेरा बेटा तो बहुत नॉटी है. एंड शी हग्स कृष्णा लविंगली एंड दे स्टार्टेड लाफिंग. और वो उसे हग करती हैं और दोनों बहुत हंसते हैं. हैव यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड द स्टोरी? सो लेट्स डिस्कस द क्वेश्चंस. फर्स्ट विल रीड द हार्ड वर्ड्स. कंप्लेन, to tell another person that something is wrong. Thief, a person who takes away another person's thing without asking. Steal, take without asking and not wanting to return it. Tiny, very small. Lovingly, feel and show love. Now read the spellings. Work, high, tiny, scold, and naughty. Now you have to answer the questions. Look at picture 1 and explain what can you see. Now look at picture 1. This is the picture 1. Here Krishna's mother is returning home with his friends and dog is running around. There is a cow is standing with his baby. Now next question is, what do you think Krishna is telling his mother in picture 3? Look at picture 3. Here what Krishna is telling? Krishna is saying that he did not eat the butter. Now what is the joke Krishna and his mother are sharing in picture number 4? Look at picture number 4. Here they are joking about the butter on Krishna's face. Now next question is, what did the village woman tell Yashoda? The village woman told Yashoda that her son has eaten all the butter she had made. कि कृष्ण जो भी बटर बनाया था वो कृष्णा ने सारा बटर खा लिया. Now next question is, what does Krishna do every morning? Krishna take care of the cows every morning. Now we will read here OE and OW words. To, do, fo, ho, wo. Grow, row, bow, slow, blow and grow. The sound of these two phonic words are same. Now fill in the blanks. A tadpole grows into a frog. Row the boat down the stream. Dip your toes in the pool to check how cold the water is. The female deer is called a doe. If you do not eat well, your growth will be slow. Foe means enemy. You have to blow into the flute to play it. A hoe is used in the garden. Now here we will see some magic words of E sound. When the E is put after the letter A, I, O, U in the word, they make a long sound and say their name. जब ये वर्ड्स में आगे ई ऐड होता है तो इनका लॉन्ग साउंड आता है. विल सी सम एग्जाम्पल्स हेयर. कैन, केन. हैट, हेट. टैप, टेप. पैल, पेल. हॉप, होप. लॉप, लोप. मॉप, मोप. नॉट, नोट. गैप, gap, gape. Dim, dime. Fin, fine. Kit, kite. Rid, ride. Sit, sight. Nod, node. Cut, cute. Tub, tube. Cub, cube. Us, use. Hug, huge. Here you can see here कि जो सेंटर्स में वॉवेल्स हैं उनका साउंड लाउड है. लाइक किट, काइट, राइट, साइट. नॉट, क्यूट, ट्यूब, क्यूब. लाइक दिस. You all have to practice these words daily at home. Thank you.